The Fed didn't cut rates but made one big announcement, and while the stock market stumbles, another record is hitting record highs. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Have you looked at gold lately? It's at a record high. The price of gold topped $3,000 per ounce for the first time ever last week, and the precious metal continues to hover around that mark, right around $3,051. Gold prices have soared 12% so far this year, while the S&P 500 has plummeted nearly 7%. Gold is seen as a safe haven in times of geopolitical uncertainty. While the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged as expected and reaffirmed its forecast for 2 rate cuts this year. However, Fed officials acknowledge that economic uncertainty has increased, and they raised their inflation forecast and lowered projections for growth. Well, the markets love the Fed talk. The Dow soared 383 points. The Nasdaq jumped 247. As the Social Security Administration seeks to curb identity fraud, more people will now be required to visit an office to claim benefits or change their direct deposit information. In the next 2 weeks, the agency will transition to the stronger identity proofing procedures. As a result of the new measures, the Social Security Administration also plans to accelerate the processing of both online and in-person direct deposit change requests to 1 business day, down from the 30 that was typical. There is 1 week in the spring where homes listed can bring in thousands more at sale. Realtor.com says on average, home sellers who list their properties in the week of April 13th to the 19th could sell for roughly $27,000 more. A separate report by Zillow found that homes listed in the last 2 weeks of May sold for $1.6 more than other times of the year, a $5,600 boost on a typical U.S. home. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.